Hi, this is Jake with Optimus Futures, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to access news events and add them directly to your charts on the IG trading platform. Now, before I do begin, I would like to mention that if you are in the market for a new Forex trading platform, or you're looking to try out something new, feel free to check out the card that is currently populating above your screen, or feel free to check out the description down below for a direct link to the demo sign up page of IG trading platform. So like I said, there are a couple positions on this platform where you can access news events directly. The main one that most people will notice first is the news tab down in the bottom left hand corner. This is on your sidebar menu here. As you can see, if you do click on this, it will open up an entire news tab directly in the sidebar panel here. And you can actually filter based off of what you're trading. So indices, Forex pairs, shares, commodities. You can filter by all markets, and you can even filter down even more. As you can see directly underneath, we do have a latest news section, which, as you can see, will apply in a chronological order. If you'd like, there's just specific market commentary, insight, or we can also filter by the region you're in. There's even videos too as well, so you can watch news feeds directly into your platform. Now, if you'd like, you can actually add this to your workspace. So for example, if you do have multiple monitors or you just like to monitor the news while you do trade, this is totally an option. It becomes its standalone widget and can be moved around the platform. If you need to, you can just drag this off. As you can see, I currently am. Left click, hold, and it becomes its own tab. So let's say, for example, you do have a chart. We'll add it to our workspace, and we just want to add a news tab to our chart. If at any time you need to trade based off a news event that maybe is occurring, we can just snap back to the news, see exactly what happened, and then snap right back to our chart. So that's quite nice. Now, I would like to mention that there's also notifications. You can access these in the very top right hand corner. There's 3 horizontal lines and 3 vertical dots. That is how you access your notifications. Now here we do have tweets. Most of these are news tweets from reputable news sources. As you can see, we have some from Forex Live, Bloomberg, MSNBC, and quite a few others that do give you some inside information on some things currently going on in the market or just news events that may be relative to the market you're trading. Also worth noting, there is a notification section here. As you can see, IG Live is directly fed through this notification screen. And although a little bit off topic, you can access your recent order history through here as well. So just something to keep in mind. If you need all the above, just simply click on the all button. And as you can see, it'll be a combination of live tweets, news events, IG trading news, and all your order notification history. Now, as for actually adding it onto the chart, which I briefly alluded to, this is possible. So let's start with a clean chart and remove any indicators we may have from our screen, and we'll remove all drawings as well. So I will come into here and simply deactivate the indicators that I currently have applied. So we start with a fresh chart. So working with a fresh chart now, as you can see, if you actually come over to the 3 horizontal dots, the last option here, there is an option for events. Now, as you can see, you can filter by specific countries or specific regions around the world. So for example, we have United States, and we can break it down even further. We can filter our events either based off of all available here, ADP national employment, durable goods orders, retail sales, non-farm payrolls, just quite a few to mention. As you can see, if we activate just a couple of them, and then we head down to our chart and we look at our time scale here, we'll actually see our news events down in the bottom here on our x-axis. So as you can see, if you do click on it, it'll give you the actual number, the estimated, and the previous number based off the time frame when that news event triggered. Now, if we continue to scroll back, we're more than likely to run into another news event here. if we need to, we can just simply go to United States and select all. And now as you can see that we have all of them activated, we can see that there are news events lined up to specific times. So if you have your global crosshair enabled and you scroll down to your news event, you can actually see how that news event affected the market in real time. As you can see, hovering our crosshair over this one, there was actually a spike in the market at the time of the news event, and the market began to decrease after the news event. So clearly there was some correlation, and we can see some similar correlation here on Friday, March 8th at around 8:20, 8:25. The market did begin to spike at one point, and then it did continue to fall after the news event. So just kind of need to see how the actual news events do affect the market. If you are a news event trader or trade based off of news events, this may be a very helpful feature for you. One last thing, we do have the economic calendar, which can be opened up in a separate tab in your internet browser. And this is essentially a breakdown of similar news events, but it's breaking down even further with increased detail. You do get estimate, previous, and actual numbers, the time period in which it occurred. If you'd like, you can set up alerts for yourself, which does require a full live account. And then we can see how the impact has affected this specific region based off this event. If you'd like, you can filter based off of the impact type, or you can filter off of country. If you are looking for a news trading platform besides IG, if you'd like to use them in conjunction, we actually at Optimus Futures have our own news trading platform, which I would like to mention. You can simply navigate it by going to news.optimusfutures.com. And it is essentially an entire news trading platform, absolutely free for Optimus Futures customers. You can access news events, there's an economic calendar, there's trade ideas based off specific news events in the markets that you trade, and it is quite interesting. So although this isn't relative to IG trading platform, for those of you that are interested in news trading, I would suggest to check this out. Again, it's news.optimusfutures.com. There's charts directly in our platform here, and there's an entire info hub for resources if you do need any help. You can also ask questions about both IG trading platform and Optimus News at community.optimusfutures.com. It is an entire community where traders are assisting each other. If you have any questions on any trading platform or the two that we did mention in this video, feel free to ask and we'd love to give you a hand. But that just about wraps it up for this video. Again, just an insight on how to activate and put economic news events onto your charts, how to access them from IG trading platform, and just a brief introduction on our news trading platform. If you liked the video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment if you have any questions. Remember, we do have the community forum where you can ask questions as well. And finally, if you would like to check out either a demo of the news trading platform, I will link that below. Or if you'd like to check out IG trading platform, you can take a look at the card that is above your video right now, or we will provide a direct link in the description as well to take you to the demo sign up page. Thanks for watching.